You ready?
Yeah, he's... Oh, no, he let go.
I'll figure it out!
Rivers, two receivers to the right. Allen by himself to the left.
Just hang on!
Rivers makes a change. Checks to a running play. Woodhead up the middle, squeezes through a hole. He's got a first down. Leans forward across the 30-yard line. And they'll move the chains for San Diego. Good blocks from Clary and Hornsberger up front, creating space for Woodhead, and he doesn't need a whole lot of it. 9-yard pickup for San Diego, moving quickly now with a first and 10.
Too hot.
I don't know. I think he's saying to slow down.
I wasn't even going fast.
I don't know what that was.
I wasn't even going fast. All right.
The top Division II player.
I'm reverse out of that.
Days, Carlos Dunlop throwing backwards, 2-yard gain for San Diego.
Been so long since I snowboarded. Here we go.
On second down now for the Chargers. We approach 4 minutes to go in the third. San Diego on the move. Play action. Rivers fires. Near sideline. Incomplete. Eddie Royal.
He's still hanging on?
Yep.
Rivers threw it out of bounds.
Well, that was a smart decision by Philip Rivers, understanding where he is on the field. He's at the
Man down, man down.
is on the right sideline doing a comeback route.
I love this.
Anybody underneath doesn't have a presence of a tight end.
I have these gloves on for 2 seconds and they stink already.
I told ya, those things are nasty.
Montez Perfect runs out underneath that.
I wear gloves underneath them too, and they stink just as bad now.
Ready?
And that's why Rivers
I can't see. Yep, he's ready. Sorry, Tyson was in the way.
Just the second incomplete
Stop.
pass for Philip Rivers today. They need to get across the 18-yard line.
Okay, good. Go.
The throw, Rivers far side, and he drops it in the bucket. Keenan Allen with a clean catch, and he's out of bounds. Good enough for a first down inside the 20.
give Keenan Allen credit on that route. It's a cover 2-man, so you have two safeties over the top taking away the up the field throw. Adam Jones is in a turnout technique. Keenan Allen at the top of his
man, we're playing in the snow.
To the inside, just to freeze Adam Jones a little bit. Philip Rivers lays it to that left side.
We got what?
Allen, as he comes out of the route, is wide open.
No. I'm with Steve, man. We're pulling we got his truck out and we're pulling a snowboard behind it.
Stop.
Huh?
He almost face planted.
Dunlop's had a good game.
I'll probably be up there later.
And he just continues to make plays, even though that time played to the left.
I was like, what? Gotcha.
And hauling down in our previous play, he maintains containment. They would have cut inside, and then he said the blocker, Luker, was able to come up and make that tackle. So Dunlop was able to put up numbers all season long.
Yep.
Productive day today as well.
It has started to rain here in Cincinnati.
It started to rain. It's fucking like 20 degrees.
To go in the third. Chargers lead 14-10. Second and 5 given to Woodhead. Up the middle, slowed down at the 9-yard line by Matanuga. And Woodhead.
Down, man down.
No.
We're dragging him.
It's third down now for the Chargers.
Uh-oh. Look at that pooch.
Comes up and once he recognizes it's going to be running, runs up and he gets collision with Jeremy Clary, the right guard.
Hello, puppy dog. He's just sitting there like, fuck you guys. Go.
I'll fuck you up. I hope that dog chases after him.
That would be hilarious. Behind you.
Get him! You off?
No, he's good. I'm trying to get him to look behind him. That dog looked like he was going to chase
I
him.
wish. Tyson would have been a dog fight.
Yep, Tyson would have killed him. Alright, man down.
I love it.
You're trying to get them confused and find a lane of an open receiver, and Cincinnati does a nice job of trading it off, passing it from zone to zone and eliminating.
His beard's covered in snow.
Bailey's turn.
Oh goodness.